Hello friends, welcome back to another video in this channel. Today in this video I'll show you how to find the MAC address of the laptop using command prompt. So without any delay, let's get started. First open the command prompt, then type this command and press enter. This command will show you all the network adapters along with the physical address next to it. So here I have four network adapters. That's why I have a four physical address. Then the first connection is Ethernet and the network adapter is Realtek Gaming GB Family Controller, and the physical address is this one, and the transport name is says the media is disconnected. So similarly, I have a second connection which is Wi-Fi, and the third one is Ethernet, and the fourth one is Bluetooth. So I have a four network adapters and a four physical address. If you just want to get the physical address or the MAC address without any information, then you can simply type get MAC. It will show you only the MAC address without any information. If you go under network adapters, you can see the four network adapters present over here. One is Ethernet, which is dock station. Second one is Bluetooth. Third one is Wi-Fi, and the fourth one is again Ethernet connection. So this is how you find the MAC address of the laptop. Hope this video helps you to find MAC address. If you think the video is helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe the channel. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.